Let's talk about the recently launched Honor smartphone X60i with artistic texture design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD Plus punch hole. Smart capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel HD main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole. Front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080, 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.05 by 74.55 by 7.18 mm, and it weighs around 172 grams, and the color options: cloud blue, moon shadow white, magic night black, coral purple colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 35-watt super fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, IP64 dust and water resistant, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X60i has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X60i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.